This is Terrence Banks with Information Age Financial Solutions and coming to talk to you today about real estate investing. Everywhere I'm going, everywhere I turn around, everyone's talking about real estate investing. Now, prior to me being started with most of the things, I got involved with real estate investing about 15, 16 years ago. Operated successfully into the market crash of 2008. And through that process of my 15 years experience doing with it, it's taught me a number of different lessons. And once everyone's talking about something, it really made me think, is real estate investing the best option for everyone? And contrary to belief, real estate investing has its pitfalls and its downfalls as well. It's a great leverage aspect for the information age financial solutions. And if you know what you're doing, it should be one of the main things you have in your portfolio. But I decided to do this video just strictly on real estate investing and giving you 8 different things that every real estate investor should know. Number 1, real estate investing is tied to the market. And what that means is that if you see a market crash happen in another sector, whether it be bonds or stocks, it's definitely going to have an impact on the real estate around you in your area. Number 2, real estate takes the highest level of financial education. It's not something that everyone could just jump into because real estate deals with leverage with banks, amortization rates. That's number 2. Number 3, real estate is living, breathing entities, meaning that it's always going to need to be tendered. People might approach real estate thinking it's like a stock or something like that, and that's what most of the people that I hear that they're talking about. I'm gonna get into real estate investing. It's living, breathing. There's always something that can go wrong. House, just like if you live in a house, roof needs to be fixed, plumbing issues. This doesn't deter anyone from doing real estate investing. They just need to understand that's extremely important if you're getting involved with real estate as a real estate and as an investor. Number 4, real estate flipping is not actually real estate investing. You're called trading, or really it's a high form of speculation, or another, to put it lightly, is another form of gambling at a higher stake. And say what I'm essentially meaning that is you're trying to time the market. And when you're trying to time the market, you're not in complete control of that. And hopefully everything works itself out. But market conditions can change in a drop of a dime. Let's just be understanding that. Number 5, real estate investing is illiquid, meaning that you can't just get out of it if you find yourself in a bad situation. It's not like a stock. You can just trade on the open floor and kind of get rid of it and cut your losses. Real estate is like a marriage. Once you get involved with it, it takes its time and it's not easy to get out. It's caused a lot of entanglements. And it's something to be mindful of as well. Number 6, real estate investing is ultimately predicated on jobs. Employment is key for real estate investing. If a person doesn't have employment in your area, for them to be able to buy the house or even maintain the rent on the house will be affected if they don't have employment in your area. Number 7, real estate investing is time consuming. And what I'm meaning by that is that there's people that you're going to need, whether it be contractors, dealing with management, if you have a property manager, and it's not something that, again, it's not something you get out of easily. And finally, real estate investing should not be the only source of your own income, because with real estate investing, it's usually a 30-day process, or 90 days if you're trying to trade it and put it on the open market as a flip. It can even be longer. So when real estate investing is your only form of income, imagine what happens to a tenant, what happens to a property that does not go right in terms of a flip. It can have a long-term impact on you, and it could cut your cash flows down dramatically. With that being said, those 8 things, knowing with that with real estate investing, it's a fantastic vehicle as one of your sources of income and a vehicle you should utilize. However, it takes the highest level of financial education. It's not liquid. It's predicated on employment, and it's definitely predicated on the market conditions that's going on inside the United States and globally, because they can all have an impact on things you're doing. So hopefully these 8 things about real estate investors, every real estate investor should know, should be of use to you. If it has been, please comment. Want to hear back your feedback. Information Age Financial Solution, Terrence Banks. I'll be back at you with my next video. Talk to you soon.